Hi friends, True Nature Childcare here. Today I built a shelter. Want to see how big it is? Hey! Pretty fun, and now I can play in it however I want. And you can do this too. I started with a trunk of a tree. It's a lilac tree, it's living, and it was strong and it was leaning out at an angle like this, so that I could lean sticks against it and they will be stable. And I had lots of sticks in my yard. You might have lots of sticks too. And if you don't, maybe you have some broom handles and some scrap wood that doesn't have nails in it that you could use. And if you don't have that, then maybe you have some smaller sticks and you can do a mini version and just practice making little shelters. There's lots of ways to do this, but if you don't have a big leaning tree trunk to use, you can start with a tripod. So I have some string here and some small sticks to show you about starting with a tripod. Get a little closer. So I've wrapped my string around each stick one time, and now I'm going to wrap my string around each stick a second time. And here's my starting end, which I'm going to hold tight to so it doesn't get all loosened up. So I'm going around this stick again, then I'm going to go around this stick again. There, now I've gone around. Oops, I missed one. Oh, that's it. Now I've gone around each stick 2 times. 1, 2. And so now that I've got this 2 layers, I'm going to tighten them together like this by taking my long end and wrapping it this way instead of this way. This is a lashing technique. It's a really useful skill to have when you go camping, because you can hang your cooking pot from a tripod and then it won't spill if the fire changes and the coals get knocked around. You just need a pot with a handle on it that can be hung from a hook. So now I've gone in between my 2 a couple times, and you can see it's kind of holding together now pretty strongly, and my 2 rows have gotten squished and tightened together. So I'm going to tie my short beginning end with my ending with a left over right, right over left knot. And I'm going to leave mine a slip knot so I can undo it later. But there, hopefully you can see this, there's some basic lashing to start a tripod. If that doesn't make sense to you, you can just kind of make something up and it will still probably hold together. But then I can set up my tripod and I can lean my sticks up like this all the way down, and like this all the way down, and then this would be my opening of my shelter. Pretty cool, huh? Well, I hope you get to do this project, have fun with it, and as always, send me a picture of what you do, like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.